Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by analyzing your current sales performance on eBay. Evaluate your existing listings and identify any common trends. Check your pricing strategy and compare it with similar items. Consider adjusting your prices to remain competitive. Next, review your product descriptions for clarity and detail. Ensure that your keywords are relevant and optimized for search. Use high-quality images that accurately represent your products. Assess your shipping options and delivery times for efficiency. Consider offering free shipping to increase sales appeal. Look into your return policy and make it customer-friendly. Gather feedback from buyers through reviews and surveys. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement. Analyze your competition to see what strategies they are using. Use tools and reports from eBay to track your performance metrics. Experiment with different promotional strategies, such as sales events. Utilize eBay's marketing tools to boost visibility. Join eBay seller communities to exchange insights and advice. Keep up to date with eBay's changing policies and features. Finally, regularly reassess and adapt your strategies based on results. This continuous improvement will help maximize your sales potential on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.